Okay, hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I just want to quickly talk about our template applications. So if you go over to our website at 5.co, https://5.co, over here you will see we have this section called as use cases. Now let's say that you are a developer who just installed 5 and you just want to quickly get started. So what you can do is that over here on our website, you will have in our use cases section, you will have a list of applications that you can just quickly download them, install them into 5 and get started. So for example, let's say that you are in this page, we can quickly scroll down. Let's select our task management template. Now once I click on it, I get two buttons which says download and start building, and another says download the template. Of course, the first button will help me install 5 and the other one will simply download the template. So let's go ahead and do that. And now I have my template installed and downloaded. So let's go ahead and open up 5. And now I don't want to import a template inside 5. What you can do is simply click on applications, and here just click on import. And now you can simply import our template that we downloaded. And now 5 starts loading up, that you can see from the spinner. So we'll just wait for now. So once a template has successfully been imported into 5, it will appear in this list over here. If you click on it, now you will get access to this blue manage button. Once I click on that, I get transported into the development environment of 5. So on top, you can see that I have a bunch of menu items. If I click on one of them, it will open up all of its features. For example, if I click on visual, I have forms, form, wizard, charts, similarly with logic, data, tasks, setup, and tools. If I want to run my application, I simply go to the header bar on top and simply click on this run button. But before running it, let me just quickly show you the database of application. So in order to see our database, what we do is we simply click on data and then database modeler. And now 5 opens up a visual database modeler in front of you, or a database editor, whatever you want to say. And this is not simple UML diagrams. You can actually edit out your database over here. So for example, let's say that you want to change details of a particular fields inside the task table. You just simply double click on them, and then 5 opens up all of its details in front of you. Okay, so as you can see, we have a very simple application with around 4 tables. We have categories, category, task, and reminders. Now, if I go to visual and then forms, you also see that we have certain forms, same with charts, and a bunch of other things that that you will navigate around. You will see that this application has certain things to offer that you can actually go around, edit it, and do whatever you want with it. What I'll do now is just simply click on run and let 5 run the application for us to see what we have. Okay, so now you can see, as we discussed earlier, it's a very simple task management application. So we agreed with all of our pending tasks that we haven't completed, and we all get its status here, which says they are not started and some of them are in progress. We also get a list of its priorities, when exactly they were due, the description, and the title. If I clicked on my task, I get certain other menus as well. So for example, over here, I can create and edit my tasks through this form. If I click on my task details, it just opens up a dashboard with all of my details of my tasks. I can see my upcoming and pending tasks over here, and even all the tasks that I've completed. If I click on categories, I similarly get I get other menu items. For example, I get a dashboard here which tells me about my categories. I can add and delete categories for each task, or I can also look at individual uncategorized tasks as well. Okay, so again, it's a very simple application, and that's how you actually import applications inside 5. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you stay tuned for our next video as well, where we'll cover more about this application in detail and how we build it. And until then, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you all very soon. Thank you.